To enable or disable GPU debug layers in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find developer options. Tap developer options. Scroll down developer options, find enable GPU debug layers. And then to enable GPU debug layers, tap switch until blue, or to disable, tap switch until white. Allow loading GPU debug layers for debug apps. Tap switch until blue to enable, or tap switch until white to disable. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.